In today's video, let us make some cute little paper stars. For these tiny stars, all you need is some long strip of paper. I will be using 10 mm wide quilling papers, or even you can cut out a long strip from printing papers. I first make a knot at one corner of the paper, as you can see, and then I make it tight, and then I bend the smaller extra part. When we turn, it should be smaller than the shape. If it is bigger, you can just tear it off, and then you can see it is a pentagon in shape. This will help us to get the 5 sides of the star. With the longer extension of the paper, you can bend it forward and make sure they bend wherever they go, so they will themselves bend and cross every single edge of the pentagon. You can wind them around in all the directions for 2 times, and then after leaving a small extension, you can tear off the excess. You can insert the smaller piece inside the previous folds of the paper, so the pentagon is completely closed. You can see them in both the sides where they fit perfectly to the shape. Once it is done, you can just pinch the corners with your fingers, which makes the shape to become 3D by itself. You can turn them backside to make sure the shape is perfect. Sometimes you need extra reinforcement on the backside to make it look good. You can watch me make another one in the same way. You can use these stars to decorate your walls for Christmas, or you can add them to your gift packages, or use it in any creative way that you like. To make them interesting, I have made this star using 1-inch white paper and this one using 3 mm white strips, which is really tiny and harder to make. Hope you liked today's video. Catch you later with another video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon of my channel to get all my videos.